everybody hears something. Like, for example, I had the seminar last Friday. We didn't even talk about that, bro. It's been so busy with the yoga, and next week I got the ski trip.
Yeah,
I had a seminar on Friday, you know? And one of the guys was saying to me, he's like, I used to trade with a guy that said indicators are lagging, don't use them. And this is what I'm talking about, where the misinformation is spread and believed without question. Just like COVID stuff, bro, just like anything else, right? Misinformation can be 100%. Spread. It's believed without fact, and then it continues to be spread, and it's like spreading a disease, bro. It's like, that's what the problem is. So then you have guys, because of social media, that can go and build their own brand, build their own following, build up a brand. Now I don't want to call it a business, but build up a brand, and then they repeat the stupid things that are not verified as fact, and it makes more people struggle. So when you look, like right now in the My Forex Funds Discord, there's 40-something thousand people in there, bro. So if at some point all of those people take a challenge, it's going to be a fraction of a person for every 100 people. Tom did the math. He said it was like half of a person, 0.5 people for every 100 people that take a challenge will get paid out. Just 1 month of payouts on a live account. Half of a person out of every 100. So when you get into this, you have to really think, am I going to do what's different from other people, or am I doing the same thing that other people
follow the crowd?
And I think if you follow the crowd, you get smoked. You just get smoked by this challenge, bro.
So I had just two things to share as well. As I had a friend that took your course, I think the beginning of this month, and I went to school with him, and he said, he messaged me on Instagram. He was like, bro, like this is so different compared to the courses that I've taken from South African traders and whatnot. I'm like, yeah, because those guys are trying to flip $100 accounts into 5,000 every day, and there's proper value. And he was like, thank you so much for putting me on, etc. and he's keen to be part of the Discord and whatnot. And then just another one that I wanted to share is, I think it was Steve Burns. He says, this is his quote. He says, and this is again where it comes to the stats for my Forex funds and FTMO and these funding prop firms, funding companies. They, if you want to be an accountant, study for 4 years. You want to be a lawyer, study for 5 years. If you want to be a doctor, study for 6. If you want to be a trader, start today. And that's the problem.
You know, the problem goes beyond even that. It's that, look, like, again, I just think the one word that describes it all, bro, is disinformation. People hear something that is not true. They don't check it. They keep spreading it. And it's like the plague. And that holds people back instead of just being a free thinker. And nowadays, bro, with everything going on in the world, nobody's a free thinker. Everybody just believes what their ideals believe. Even if they might question it, they still end up buying into it. You know? A lot of people 100%. Will hear someone say, indicators don't work. And they'll be like, but why do I see so many people using indicators? Those people probably aren't making money. I'm going to trust this belief and I'm not going to question it. Right there, I think that's where people are led a little bit incorrect. And you know what, bro? At the end of the day, can we help everybody? Like, could we actually step in and help everybody? No.
Well, you'd like to, but you can't.
Of course, but you can't. So at the end of the day, all we can do is allocate and this is how I truly feel. I allocate a small amount of my time for making videos and spreading the value. I allocate another chunk of my time to helping ASFX members and coaching people. And then I allocate the most time for my own trading and my own future and my own family's future, bro.